we got something really cool. So Ryobi just came out with their new creepers. Let me tell you, we were pretty excited about it. We saw the coming soon, and we knew we had to have one. They were just released about 2 to 3 weeks ago or so, and I happened to find one at Home Depot. Now the funny part is I actually asked the guy, he's like, hey, I was like, hey, do you have any of the creepers here? And he goes, oh, no, we ain't got any of them. And started meandering around and found them behind the little dolly ones, hidden behind it. And I'm like, oh, you mother, yep. Anywho, I bought it. We're gonna get it put together and show you what it looks like.
And you gave...
Oh, yeah, they are $159 at Home Depot.
Tool only, because I'm pretty sure you don't get a battery.
I'm pretty sure you don't have.
Don't let the box beat you.
It's glued!
Hey, it's better than them rough country staples.
It's a creep. It creeps out of the box.
Hey, it's a creepy creeper. Looks like it's pretty well put together.
Oh, there's the wheels.
Part A. Get a little link seal. Some hardware. Part B.
That's all of it.
That's it?
That's it.
That's all that comes in the box?
That's all that comes in the box.
All right. That don't look too hard.
No, it does not.
So we got instructions or operator's manual.
Oh, that's for the
Yep.
for the link.
Oh, you can also put one of the long ones on that.
One of the what?
The long trays,
Trays.
whatever they're called.
Sweet.
I might have a spare 1 or 5 at the house.
All right, guys. So the first step is getting the wheels on the base part of it. This looks like what would be the bottom of it. So they come with these fun little nuts with an Allen, and then washers and lock washers. So you take the, what is that? Is it considered a nut? Is it a, whatever this thing is. You put the lock washer on it, you put the washer on it, you'll put a wheel through, and then on the top of it, you'll find the stem, if I can get it lined up right. Bam, like that. Then we'll use our cool Ryobi tools to put it together.
Yeah. Ryobi for life.
Yeah, because I don't want to change batteries now.
I'm just saying, like, we've got a few Milwaukee tools and still constantly have to go back to the Ryobi or Ryobi, whatever, because it torques tighter or it actually breaks something loose, whatever the situation. I mean, I can't count how many times we've had to go get the big Ryobi impact because the Milwaukee one won't do it. But, you know, like I said, everything's got its place.
Let go.
Using an impact may not be the best idea. Boy, that battery spot almost looks like a cup holder. Come on, tell me y'all see the same thing I see right there. Stand it on in, it holds your cup. I'm excited about the dual function. You know, it's a creeper, but it's also a stool. So like when we're doing brakes and whatnot. Ooh boy. That rolls pretty smooth. Yeah, well. Push comes to shove, we'll make it have off-road tires. I'm looking at you, Ryobi. Next generation needs to be an off-road creeper. I'm just saying.
On to be.
To be or not to be?
To be or not to be.
Oh, that doesn't look like a mess.
We're gonna go right there. So there's actually a little ledge right there that it'll set on. And that said, you've got the pin with the small spacer. Then you take the big spacer. Once you get it through, oh, too far. You take the big spacer, you put it in, and then it goes through the other side, and then the cotter pin. It goes through it, but then you take your big washer, you put your big washer on, push it through, and then it goes through the bar. And then the cotter pin goes on top of that.
Okay.
Yay!
Those are to hold on to when you're racing them.
All right, so for the second side, you've got your little washer on there. The little washer goes through there. Then your big spacer washer goes on right next to the arm. Then it goes through, and then that's where you put your clevis pin. Snapped. Snap! Woo! All right, next we got the little link plate. There's 2 brackets right there. I mean, can't miss them. Yeah. There. Empty that. And voila, I have a cup holder now.
Yeah. All right, let's see it roll. Oh, wait. Wait, you forgot your battery.
Oh, battery!
Okay.
It's a small battery, but hey.
It's gonna work. All right, first you gotta roll.
I gotta have lights to go. Where's the other? Whee!
No.
All right, we ready? We ready? We ready? Whee! It goes.
All right. What kind?
Let's see where this is. Up. Oh, yeah.
Under the truck.
Under the truck. Yeah.
It's actually quite a bit of light.
Oh, that's cool.
I didn't see it.
I know, I'm getting there.
I got blinded.
Hey, no, look, on the bumper. Go on the bumper. You ready? See, wide?
Ooh, telescopic lights.
Yes! And they both do that.
So you got spot and flood.
And there's two brightnesses.
A high and low setting.
Yep.
All right.
Whee! All right.
All right, transformers.
Transformers. Like,
Squeeze the handle. Oh, put the backrest up. Oh, buddy.
Oh man. Where's my buttons? There's my buttons. Oh, yes.
Oh yeah. Yeah, look at that. Running over stuff.
Yeah, buddy.
Oh man. That's handy dandy. Yep. Gotta move it forward.
Got my little cup holder there.
And quit moving.
Oh, quit moving.
You got your tool holders here and a little parts tray there as well. I mean, they don't do you a whole lot of good behind you, but here's the other nice thing.
When you're laying on your head though.
All right, spin around. No, stand up, spin around. Sit. There you go. Oh, yeah. You can also sit on it like so, and then have your tools in front of you. That's pretty awesome.
I like it.
Yeah. If we had some bigger batteries, we could see if it was brighter with a bigger battery.
It's not going to be brighter with a bigger battery.
All right.
That's it. And then same thing, undo it. Bam. Look at that.
You know what the new problem is now, right?
What's that?
Wee Man thinking it's a race car. It's even got headlights. All right.
There it is. The Ryobi creeper. I'd recommend. I've had it for a grand total of 5 minutes put together, and man, I like it.
It looks like it's super smooth. Like rolling.
Especially on, you know, my concrete floor.
Yeah. This is the stuff we're rolling over. So it's not like it's a clean, smooth shop floor. We got zip ties and stuff he was running over, so I mean,
like a jack.
The fact that it rolls over zip ties, that's an improvement. All right.
So, but that's it. Greatly appreciate it. Like, subscribe, and share, and go pick you one up if you can find them. Bye, guys.